Hello there, welcome to the Gist on Plug TV Live. On the Gist today, we bring you an interesting story as Omotola Jolade reacts to a blogger's claim that she's in an affair with Oshiomhole. Let's check out details. Nigerian actress Omotola Jolade has reacted to the reports that she's in an affair with the former national chairman of the All Progressive Congress APC, Oshiomhole. A blogger, gist lover, had alleged that the actress and the politician are romantically linked. In a post shared via our Instagram page on Tuesday, January 19, 2021, the movie star refuted the claims by the blogger. She wrote, "I ordinarily don't do this, but after thinking about it thoroughly and taking advice, I have decided to." So this blog ran this story and people started coming to my page. I've always known there are people who are sick and would tell you stories that have never happened, but to publish that on a platform as big as Instagram, you must be held accountable. I have demanded they finish and prove this story. Problem is, the blog is hiding under anonymity, faceless blogging. There are more credible blogs out there. Follow blogs with accountability. Omotola's post is coming barely 24 hours after Gist Lover had subliminally posted a photo of the actress and Oshiomhole with a very interesting caption. Gist Lover wrote, "Today is Sabbath day, so we go keep am holy. We go just dey post pictures. Maybe tomorrow, when no be holy day, we go give details. Abi how una see am. I come in peace." Meanwhile, Omotola Jolade has since asked her followers to boycott and report the Instagram page of the blogger. She wrote, "Can everyone who loves me and what I have stood for all these years please report this page, and report this page. Thanks." Well, Gist Lover, who is known to be very notorious, didn't back down easily after getting response from the actress. The faceless blog stood on their claims that something untoward seemed to have gone down between the actress and the politician. The blog even took things a notch higher by mentioning more notable names that the actress was allegedly involved with despite being married. It added that it didn't want to destroy her marriage and would refrain from posting more details. Gist Lover wrote, "Inasmuch as I no want make person own spoil, but I hate it when people are full of shit and are quick to defend themselves as if they are saint. I am no saint either, I'm Mugba. When I want to do una motivational shit, it should be on the gram, not for people like us, we sabi una. People are in my DM saying I should not scatter her marriage. Now she won't scatter her marriage, so na jeje I dey where she dey DM me say make I post something where she know say she do. Learn decorum, baby girl. You can only rant when you can beat your chest, say all waiting I type not be true. Okay, I no want spoil any marriage, but where should I start from like this? Shey na Peace Hotel for Omole's story, make I take start. I be the saga wey happen for Blog Sister shoot. Tony Omei and Mama G be eyewitness for that shoot. Abi I don't talk too much, or should I start from Omokore? Abi na Sifax, which one? Abi Chidi? Let me waka in peace for now. Marriage will not spoil in Jesus' name. Those in my DM saying I want to ruin a marriage, Umbano, marriage no fit spoil. Oga sef get im own paro, so we move. Let me drink water first and mind my business. Marriage won't spoil in Jesus' name. Selah. She further wrote, "My dear Omotola, we will kindly finish what we started, boo. Motivational speaker of life. It's not only Oshiomhole and Tiomoti. Chidi that made you fight with Genevieve then, they the least. Some of the industry people know about this low-key. Then plenty for the least. Who gave you that name, Omosexy? Talk and make we hear, my darling Omoti. Even your husband can't deny he doesn't know some of your shit. Saint online, something else behind closed door. Let me compile my list finish. If you can swear, say I dey lie. Well, I don't base my journalism on assumptions. If I no see something, I know the right. Na so AE deny Oluomo Sote they arrested Kemi Ashefon for lifting the story on my blog. See it now. It's everywhere and obviously they are knocking. I passed Yesi blog, so take several seats, mama. Seller." Well, it didn't end there with both of them as Omotola returned to post, still waiting for the so-called blog to post their proof of their dirty insinuation. You can't just wake up and randomly write nonsense. You will prove your story and be found. If you know this blog, demand they finish what they started by presenting their proof. Seller. She again returned after some hours saying, "Faceless blogger, I hear people pay you to damage people's reputation. You can't prove your story. Now you're name dropping other people's name. Dirty people. If you're really sure of what you're saying, put up your proof and put your name behind it. You still have 24 hours. Well, this feels like a long story that we definitely might not see the end very fast. But trust us to bring you the gist right here on Plug TV Live. Remember to subscribe and like.